In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off out of office status in ClickUp. So if you had indicated that you are out of office and you like to go ahead and remove this status, it is quite simple. Just follow these instructions and you'll be able to do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you had indicated that you are away in ClickUp or you are on vacation and you want to go ahead and turn off that status, then it is pretty simple. Just head over up here and this is your profile icon, as you can see here. However, don't click on this because you'll not be able to change this. You can see my current status is on vacation. If I click on it, I'm not able to edit this. So to edit this, go ahead and just next to your profile icon, you'll see we have another small update status icon here. So click on it and this will show the current status. For my case, I'm on vacation here in 6 days. And as you can see, I'm out of office. So if you want to end this, you can just go ahead and uncheck this. But if you save, you'll still be indicated you are on a vacation. However, you can still work. But if you want to remove this vacation status, you can also go ahead and remove it as it is. And then go ahead and click on save. And as you can see, that status has changed or has been removed. Now, each and every person will see that you are online when they want to reach you out and there is no status attached to it. So that's how you can cancel your current out of office status in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.